Hey everybody, Seth here at Pocket Yacht. Today I want to walk you guys around our newest listing, a 2022 Cutwater C-24. This one comes with some awesome upgrades, including a lithium house bank, 920 amp hours. It's got really nice tinted windows and a couple other great things on the inside. So I'm going to walk you guys through it right now. This boat comes on the 2022 Venture trailer that you see it sitting on. That is a tandem axle. And as we hop on the inside of this boat, you're going to see very well kept. It's a very clean boat. All the canvas and cushions come with this. There's nothing missing. You can see in the back there, fold down seat, grill, prep sink area. There's also a nice little storage compartment on the other side where you can put your shore power cable. The windows are tinted all the way around this boat with the exception of the front glass. That back port side does pop up for a nice seating area. And below the port side, you're also going to have your 920 amp hours of lithium for your house bank. The inside of this boat is absolutely immaculate. The owner did a phenomenal job of keeping everything nice and clean, as you can see as we kind of pan around here. Electric alcohol burner, hot and cold in the sink right there. You got a nice outlet, you have a refrigerator, you also have a microwave. Quick view of the dash and throttle area. You have your tabs, you have your throttle. You have your VHF right there. All your switches are clearly and easily labeled. Yamaha screen and your Garmin chart plotters right in your front there. And the bow thruster. Up under the dinette seat, you're gonna have your AC panel and all of your switches right there. Once again, the front of this boat is just like the rest of it. Very well maintained. All your cushions are intact right there in front of you. Nice head areas on the starboard side here on the C-24. Up top, you got your solar, which is going to keep that lithium bank charged and maintained. You have your foot controls on your windlass here. We're going to go back with a close-up of the trailer. Recently had some service done. Comes with a spare hub kit as well. And this boat also has a custom cover for it. It is a full cover. If you have any other questions on this boat or would like to come see it in person, please let us know. We're happy to show it to you. It is here at our location in Graysonville. Thank you, guys.